being really explicit about this is better than just relying on implicit ideas in the discipline about what people can do with data that's posted on OSF or posted on GitHub. It should include any outputs that the reviewers should try to reproduce. So either a manuscript or the individual tables and plots, and things like results output. It should include all of the data used to create the outputs that need to be reproduced. If it's not possible for you to share those data, you can look into things like data simulation packages. I can't remember what the one is called, but there's an excellent one I think that Dan Quintana talks about a lot for simulating data where you can't share the actual raw data, but it can create some data sets that you can demonstrate your analyses on. Make sure you send all of the code necessary to recreate the outputs. These sound like simple things, but these are all things that are often missing in data pack and review packages that I see. And a main script that runs any subscripts in the relevant order. Depending on what coding language you're using, you might have multiple subscripts, a bunch of .r files. And if it's not extremely clear what order they need to be run in, it can get really confusing for a code reviewer. So you can use a main script that's described in the README file that lists what order everything goes in, or literate programming